Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out MeetMe account. So let's get started. First, open your MeetMe application. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Settings. Tap on Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of this page. Then tap on Logout button. And if you are sure, tap on Yes. And this is how you can log out MeetMe account. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.